Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You need permissions and a target site before you begin. That prevents permission errors later. Once signed in, open Power Automate and create an instant or automated flow so you can trigger list creation. Add the Sharepoint connector and select Send an HTTP request to Sharepoint because there is no native create list action. This REST call gives precise control. Make sure to set the site address now, since every subsequent request depends on that selection. Now build the HTTP request body so Sharepoint knows what to create. Use post to API/web/lists and include headers accept and content type as application/JSON. OData equals verbose so Sharepoint parses JSON. In the body specify title, base template, 100 for custom list, and on quick launch for navigation placement. Once done, test the flow with sample trigger data and inspect the response body for the new list ID and status. If you need fields, you'll add them next using additional REST calls. After the list exists, add columns by posting to API/web/lists, GUID ID, /fields with field XML or JSON schema. Choose types and required settings deliberately because changing types later is painful. Once you wire those requests, run the flow end-to-end and verify success codes and the list in the Sharepoint UI. If something goes wrong, make sure the site URL and headers are exact and that the account or connection has appropriate app permissions. That single mismatch causes most failures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.